It was about the third week into Kathy's weight loss battle where things really started to go downhill. She was eating salads 4 or 5 times a day. She was running on the treadmill 45 minutes a day and walking her dogs on long walks on the weekends trying to lose weight. And in the first couple of weeks, she lost weight. But then she hit a plateau, still doing the same things that she's been doing, but she stopped losing weight, and even worse, she started gaining weight back, even though she was working out extremely hard and she was nearly starving herself. So what was going on? And Kathy is a family friend of mine, actually, who was in dire need of help. And so I stepped in and I realized that she was dealing with what's known as hormonal misfiring. And this is what is causing you to waste your workouts and waste your diet efforts and not getting any results. And so I made a free video presentation showing you exactly how to recorrect hormonal misfiring so you can start getting results with less effort. If you want to check it out, hit that link below and enjoy.